think the best to describe the philosophy of this house will be house full of surprises. So every corner or every room that you enter, you definitely don't expect to see what you see or experience what you expected.
How do you create a space you see every day into one that captivates you at every turn? On today's episode, we are revealing a home merging bold design choices with timeless elegance to create a living space that is anything but ordinary. Before we begin, a friendly reminder to subscribe to us and stay in the loop of more design and architecture related contents.
Basically, it's a 3-story house with a basement. It's about 20,000 square feet built up for internal. On the ground floor is generally common area. We have got a central pool, and right next to the pool is massive living room, and next to it is actually the tea pavilion, and right opposite is actually the bar. So all these 3 main spaces is actually overlooking the pool. Beyond that is actually the wet kitchen, the dry kitchen, and then we do have a sizable entertainment room.
There are 2 ways to enter the house. You can either be dropped off at the ground level lobby, or you can park your car at the basement level and enter through the basement lobby. The dark moody theme of the wine cellar in contrast with the bright lit lobby at the basement. Then the marble staircase will lead you up to the rest of the journey to explore.
At the main entrance, grand wooden doors invite us into a luxurious foyer composed of visually striking textures. Light marble floors and a white ceiling create an airy impression grounded by dark elements. Right next to the entrance is a tea pavilion with serene views of the koi pond and the pool, creating an ideal scene for a cup of tea.
We want this natural connection between the garden, the water, and also the table. So the trees, the plants, the water, it's all very calming. In between these 2 areas, where we come in, we didn't want to block the view of the water and the garden. Therefore, we have this double glazed sliding door with wire mesh in the middle.
Wire mesh in the middle.
Yes.
Nice. It has that metallic feel. So
it does have that metallic feel.
Very unique screen looking.
Yes, this metallic is to match with the lobby. Lobby because it has lots of metallic materials. So it kind of create that screen between metallic and the tea room.
Custom-made textures fill its spaces, ensuring a seamless visual with hidden doors. This mirror is interesting enough that it's large enough that it creates this impression like it's a round window opening the spaces. The open living and dining spaces are oriented towards the landscape. Massive glass doors of 6 meters high bring nature indoors, ensuring an uninterrupted view.
This cross ventilation that architect designed really inspired me of how I plan or how I design the center of the house. So one of the challenges that we face for this living room, that is such a long living room with the taper shape at the end towards where we see right now. So for us, that was a challenge of how to form this living area. We had the idea of dividing this into 2 zones. One is to face the feature TV wall, one is to face the pool. And the idea of facing the TV wall on a bigger, larger area is to use more of a squarish sofa, which face 2 sides as well. at the end tail of the living room that we wanted to have a more of an organic shape of sofa that face the pool, so you can actually watch people in the pool.
A well-considered layout is the foundation of a great living room design. Dividing the living area into formal and casual spaces creates a home that adapts to different social occasions.
So the client in particular is concerned about the ceiling height for the ground floor. Therefore, we have to find a really creative way of how to bring in the aircon into this living room, especially with the double heights. So therefore, we come up with this idea of using the feature wall as the aircon diffuser.
Next to the living area is a stylish bar. Furnished with hidden speakers that blend into the design, this is a karaoke space right beside the pool. In the dining, custom-made white screens create a textured three-dimensional backdrop to separate dining areas. This provides privacy and shading while maximizing ventilation.
So the idea is very much like the living room. So the dining is categorized into two parts. One is formal dining, one is casual dining.
Integrated into the island, the pop-up extraction fan ensures a sleek, seamless look for the dry kitchen. In Eslab 10's projects, their bathrooms are always a statement of class. Let's see what they have to offer in this powder room next to the dining area. A small foyer bathed in soft light greets us. Composed of various textures and shapes, the space is calming and classy. Tucked in the corner, the home theater is a quiet retreat from the busy open area of the house.
So now we're inside this entertainment area that we have categorized this into two different areas. So one is karaoke lounge, which you can host about 15 to 12 people sitting around singing karaoke. And here behind us, this is what we call the family moving lounge.
At night, the entire home undergoes a stunning transformation. Carefully curated lighting accentuates textures and highlights architectural details, painting the home as an ever-changing masterpiece. Throughout the common areas, the choice of materials is used to maintain continuity. This is crucial in creating a cohesive look even while using different textures and shapes. Leading to the first floor, the folding marble staircase combines elegance with a light impression. Its timeless sheen adds sophistication, and its durability makes it ideal for tropical climates.
So from the outside, as the architect framed it, from the outside, it's actually a key box. So we wanted something for people out there to look inside, can see a really large sculpture piece. Yeah, we spent a lot of time on mapping the marble again, because that was a limited marble, so we have to work with what we got. I think these are actually two types of marble here. So we do have to work a lot, like matching different vein. So that's enough for the host there.
The first floor is bedrooms and also gym room. So this is more like a lifestyle spaces. Going up to another level, which is the second level, is the master bedroom suite and also the other junior suites.
At the entrance, each room stages a welcoming invitation where mirrors add a bigger sense of space. Each bedroom is designed with its own unique feature. This bedroom is a stunning example. With an unusual layout leading to the show gallery, the hallway leads directly to a spacious bathroom.
So it's not very typical that you walk into a room into so-called a wardrobe area first, but I would rather call this a show gallery than a wardrobe, because when we planned this area, it was very difficult to decide which part is the best side of the room. So we want to leave the best side of the room for the bedroom area.
Concealed behind sliding doors is the sleeping area in modern classical style. An extended customized headboard enlarges the visual effect of the entire room.
Because the headboard is so large, we wanted to have a multiple layer to it, so it doesn't look like one giant headboard. Therefore, you can see this detail of 3 different layers. And also the pendant light next to it. It's kind of detailed and carried through to the ceiling, where you see there's layers of depth in the ceiling detail. So this is a wallpaper that we select with the fabric finish. So the whole idea is the whole entire room is being very beige, very light color, and we want to give it a bit of contrast here.
When the curtains are closed, the room transforms into a romantic private theater. The master bedroom unfolds as a private sanctuary, opening into a spacious lounge. Setting a relaxed tone with rich textures, materials, and dark colors.
So here is the master bathroom, another hidden compartment for a wellness spa of luxury. So when we come in, we have this glass box shower, 2-way entrance, and we also have the sauna with a Himalayan salt for 2 to 4 people to enjoy the sauna here. We also have his and hers toilet, and behind the shower we have this bathtub looking outside to the tree with a protective screen, so you can actually have a bath, enjoying the view outside.
What's unique about the son's bedroom is the open concept space for the bathroom and wardrobe, creating a luxurious suite-like experience.
It is really spacious, really spacious. So the idea of combining the bathroom and the wardrobe together to create such an empty space in the middle that really whiten up the whole area. So this is the, well, I can't call it walk-in wardrobe. There's no walk-in. It's open wardrobe with the special feature island that we have chosen this very natural matte finish travertine stone, and also with a special selection of a cow fur finishes. The handle has that rustic finish to match with all the finishes here. In this project, we have explored a lot of different materials, and we are very excited and have a lot of fun playing with so much materials and patterns and different texture. As much as we love minimalism, when we're given a chance to play, I think we will go all the way.
This home is a masterpiece of contrast, bold yet timeless, luxurious yet inviting. Rich materials, shapes and textures come together to transform the everyday into something extraordinary. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to learn more about interior design and architecture related contents, please click on the subscribe button and stay tuned to more compelling design episodes. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week.